In this video, I'll show you how you can change your country on Binance. Now the first step is you want to come up here to your account and go to account. Once you're in here, you'll come to the identification, and when you have completed the identification, so I have not, but if you have, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see your address. Now for some people, they can change it right here. It depends on what country you're in. But if you're not able to change it directly from in here, what you can do is there will be a support button right under that you want to click on, right under the address. And you want to click on the support button, and then you want to message Binance that you want to change your address. Now keep in mind, when you do this, you need to provide some sort of proof that you moved to a new address or you have a different address than it says on here. So you might have to post your phone bill or any sort of things like this. But that's how it's done, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.